Hi, I'm Jamie, Product Manager for Monroe Shocks and Struts.
And I'm Joe, Product Director for Monroe Shocks and Struts. When it comes to shocks and struts, they play an important role in everyday vehicle operation. Shocks and struts help maintain tire-to-road contact. They assist with consistent handling and braking, as well as maintaining wheel alignment. Properly functioning shocks and struts help reduce accelerated wear on tires and other suspension components. How they perform could be the difference in ride quality, handling precision, or noise, vibration, and harshness.
Monroe products are engineered in our Monroe, Michigan facility. For shocks and struts, Monroe invests more than 67,000 hours annually into research and development. Our products are put through a variety of rigorous testing to meet strict structural integrity and performance standards. They are built with each vehicle-specific ride and handling profile in mind. Each product is tested to verify performance and durability based on vehicle ride characteristics and designed for OE-style fit. Our extensive testing, combined with our OE engineering expertise, ensures quality fit and performance from each individual component to how the finished parts work together with braking and suspension components once installed on the vehicle. Joe, what are some of the key quality factors to keep in mind?
Great question. It's important to keep in mind that struts are a structural component of the suspension system, bearing much of the side load placed on the suspension. They support the spring and hold the tire in an aligned position. Strut failure can result in a loss of vehicle control. Quality difference can be even more profound in pre-assembled modular strut assemblies, which include all of the subcomponents: strut, coil spring, upper strut mount, spring seat, isolator, and boot kit, all needed for a comprehensive strut replacement. Strut assemblies can look similar, but durability, performance, and fit may differ based on materials and design. For example, a fractured strut rod failure while driving can cause a loss of vehicle control. A bent strut rod, while still needing to be replaced, maintains structural integrity to maneuver the vehicle, helping to maintain control.
Our Monroe Quick Strut assemblies feature a superior tube and weld design to deliver structural integrity and durability. Our proprietary strut rod processing surpasses OE bend standard without fracturing up to 15 millimeters, helping to maintain vehicle control in the event of a major road surface impact.
Now let's talk about coil springs. They support the weight of the vehicle and help maintain level ride height. The OE spring rate can differ from one vehicle to another based on vehicle model, engine size, drivetrain, transmission type, and other various vehicle attributes that affect vehicle weight and ride profiles. It's important to match OE spec by application when it comes to the spring designs to help restore OE ride height specific to each vehicle. Even a 15% reduction in ride height will cause the vehicle to noticeably sag and may affect vehicle wheel alignment, which could result in accelerated tire wear.
Monroe Quick Strut assemblies feature precisely calibrated, application-specific coil springs, engineered with the factors we just mentioned in mind to help restore OE ride height. They are manufactured with high-quality SAE US-grade steel, up to 2 times stronger than some competitors, and meet or exceed original equipment standards for spring performance. Overall, they are designed to provide higher stress capabilities at a reduced weight and better ride height retention over time. So Joe, now that we talked about structural importance, what technologies can be found in Monroe Shocks and Struts to help with ride performance?
Yeah, as mentioned earlier, shocks and struts can affect the ride quality and handling precision. Choosing a replacement part with the right technology for the application is key. Our twin technology active control system consists of a low-speed tunability piston valve and impact control valve, which is great for vehicles with low-profile tires for exceptional control and reduced noise, vibration, and harshness. With less rubber on low-profile tires, shocks need to absorb more of the road impacts to reduce NVH from reaching the passenger cabin.
Our ASD technology is ideal for light truck and SUV applications with higher center of gravity. The valve allows an extra bypass of fluid when the vehicle takes an immediate impact from a pothole for improved stability.
Monotube technology is a single tube high pressure design used on many domestic pickups in European vehicles originally equipped with monotube units.
Shocks and struts are critical components to vehicle operation. Be sure to include shocks and struts as part of routine inspections, especially anytime a vehicle comes in for tire, brake, or other suspension service. It's important to choose reliable, quality products for peace of mind and help reduce customer comebacks. For more on how shocks and struts play a role in vehicle performance, visit Monroe.com. And be sure to like and subscribe to our Monroe Shocks YouTube channel for our latest products and education videos.